My name's Andy Cleal, I'm a director at BG Install, and we are a vinyl wrapping specialist. We work in automotive, architectural and marine. We do a lot of special projects. So we've upgraded this equipment because we have a specific customer who has large cut panels, and our previous technique for producing those panels was incredibly labour intensive. So the JWEI really improved the way we sped up that production process because it can cut out large format panels. So there's no laying up, there's no hand trimming, there's no having to hand cut. And the process which it uses to nest has saved us a lot of material. So it's been a really good investment. We've got a really good relationship with Chris at CMYUK. He understands our business and he's been really helpful identifying machinery that can speed up the processes. And the other thing is they're on the phone. We've had a few things where we've been learning the machines. We'll be able to just pick up the phone and speak to the guys and they'll help us out straight away. All this equipment together has been really good for our customers. Our whole name is off of the quality that we provide. A lot of our customers are really reactive with their production deadlines and we have to provide stuff last minute. And we're still able to offer the same quality, but do it within the tight timeframes that they need us to work to.